How to install WordPress on localhost. Hi guys, welcome once again. My name is Mamfishebe Alaba. Tutorial is going to be very quick. Today we'll discuss how to install WordPress on localhost using the WAMP server. First, what we need for this video tutorial. The first thing is we have to download the WordPress core file, and this will cost us free. So the file is free. And the second thing we download here is the WAMP server installer, and it is also free. So I will leave a description below this video where you can download the WordPress core file and also the WAMP server. So after you've downloaded these two softwares, then I've already downloaded mine. This is my WordPress, and this is my WAMP server. After you have downloaded your WAMP server and the WordPress, the next thing is you double click on the WAMP server to install. So that will be the first step. After you've installed the WAMP server and you launch the WAMP server, under this hidden icon in your window operating system, you see the icon. If you turn to green, the first color you will see is red. That is, you will have to wait. Then the second color will be orange. So that is telling you that maybe the Apache is running and the PHP is not running, or the PHP is running or the Apache is not running. Either one of the two. So you have to wait for it to turn to green. So once it's turned to green, then it will tell you that all services is running. So after that, you have to copy or you cut. You copy the WordPress core file. Open up your C drive. Open the C drive. Then open your WAMP folder. Once you've installed the WAMP, this folder will automatically be installed there. So open the www folder. You have to paste in the WordPress. So now after you've pasted the WordPress core file, then you extract. Click on right click, then click on extract files. So then this window will come up. Here, let's give it a name. You change the default name there. The default name is WordPress 4.9.7. So we have to give it a default a unique name. Let's say we give it tutorial, something like that. Tutorial. Then you click on OK. Now you can see it's now extracting. So we have to wait for the file to extract finish. So after it has been extracted, then we continue from there. Now the file has extracted finished. So you can see it here now, tutorial. So then after the file has finished extracting, the next step now is you open up your favorite browser. Here I'm using Chrome. Then we need to create a database for our website. So to create this, type in localhost in your address bar, type localhost. Then the WAMP server home page screen will come up. Scroll down and click on phpMyAdmin. This will take us to the PHP. So here we are. This takes us to the PHP login page. Now the default username for the PHP login page is root. Type in root. Then the password will be empty, because by default it should be empty. If you type in anything, you won't be able to log into the admin PHP database page. So click on go. So now it brings us here. Now to create a database, it's either you click on new or you click on database here. So click on databases. Now it says create database name. Let's give our database a name. Let's call it something like demo. Then you click on create. So now our database has been created, so we can see it here now, demo. So now the next thing we do now is we need to proceed on installing our WordPress. So what we do now is open up a new tab. On the address bar, type localhost slash our name, our WordPress folder name there. This is tutorial slash enter. Press the enter key. So this will take us to the index page. Click on this WordPress. If you click on this parent directory, it will take us back to the localhost homepage. Click on WordPress, then you wait for it to load. So here is the welcome page for the WordPress. Then these are the things are the requirements that we need later. It says the database name, the database username, the database password, database host, and table prefix. So then the next thing is we click on let's go button here. So now it's asking for our database name. So we have to fill this table and this form and click on submit. Database name is a demo, yeah, and username. The username we use to log in into the PHP admin dashboard, which is root, and our password there is empty. Then database host is localhost because we are using localhost, and this table prefix, if you change what is written there, that is, you are trying to tell the server that you want to install more than one WordPress on this particular database. So for now, I'm only installing a WordPress, just a single site on this database. So I will click on submit to go to the next page. So now this says, all right, you already made it through. By clicking on this run the installation button, then this will take us to the WordPress installation page. Now click on run the installation. Now here we have to fill all this information, and all these things can later be changed after we've installed, we finish the installation. Then the site title, let's just give it learn to create, something like that. Learn to create. Then the username, let's give it learn, and our password here, let's also give it a learn to create also as the password. Then the email address, let me use my email, and after that, if you check on this, you will discourage the search engines such as Google from them to get access to your website. So now let's leave it as blank and click on install WordPress. So here the installation will start. We have to wait for it to finish the installation process. Now you can see now success is giving us a success message that WordPress has been installed. Thank you and enjoyed it. So now let's go to our dashboard. When you click on this login, this will take us to our login page to our WordPress dashboard using this username and the password that we've already chosen there. So click on login button, and now it's asking for the username, which is a learn, and our password is learn to I think it's ordinary to learn to create. Then click on login. Wow, this is our dashboard now. This is where we control all our sites, and this is the process you take once you want to install WordPress on your local host. Now see, it's very simple and straightforward. Now to view our website, click on this on visit website. You can open this in a new tab. Then this is our site. Now this is the default theme installed by the WordPress. Now this is our website that we've just created, and this is our dashboard, our back end, and this is the front end. So if you find this video helpful, please give a like and subscribe to the channel.